Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. And so many nights we're awake when you're woofing, but we still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
Every day, after Waffle helps himself to his breakfast, he wakes us all up for walkies.
Walkies!
But today, we were already up because it was my first day at school.
On schedule, team. Well done. Walkies! Waffle walkies!
Morning, Waffle. Sorry, no time for normal walkies today, I'm afraid.
What? No walkies?
No, Waffle. Gramps is going to come and take you for morning walkies later.
Gramps?
You've forgotten, Waffle. It's my first day at Summersby School.
Oh, yeah.
I'm in reception class.
Oh, and I'm starting in year 5.
And I'm back at Summersby School too. I'm a teacher there, so best behaviour. Walkies!
From now on, Waffle, during the week, Jess goes to work and we go to school.
Just work you school.
And Gramps is going to do Waffle walkies.
Oh.
We did tell you, Waffle. Remember?
Say something.
Walkies now!
No, Waffle, no! Waffle!
Waffle, no!
Waffle walkies!
Oh,
school!
I get it, Waffle. You want our walk to school to be your morning walkies.
Yes.
Jess, Waffle really wants to go walkies to school with us.
Yes.
Can he,
yes.
please?
No, Gramps is coming. What is it, Evie?
I really want Waffle to walk to school with me, Mum. I'm nervous and Waffle will make me feel happy.
Oh, look, I know it's a really big day for you, Evie, but it's Anaya's first day of school too, isn't it? And you won't be on your own. Look, Gramps is going to pick you up later as well.
I'll get it. Excuse me, Waffle. Hi, George.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Hobbs. Is everything okay?
Since you asked, Mr. Brooklyn Bell, no. I need to stay in your house today until my kitchen is back to normal. I just hope that dog won't be here getting in our way, Georgie. See?
George, play.
Get back, dog.
Oh.
There you go.
Maybe we should take Waffle walkies to school after all, Jess.
So Mrs. Hobbs can have some dog-free time.
I definitely think we should.
No. Keep away.
Let's do it.
Right.
I'll text Gramps.
Waffle walkies school.
Go for walkies.
Yes.
Here we go, Waffle.
Yay, walkies.
Stop pulling on your lead, Waffle.
Bye, Mrs. Hobbs. Goodbye, George. Make yourselves at home.
Yes, thank you, Jess. We will, now that dog's gone.
We were just taking Jelly for walkies to school. Waffle's walking to school with us too.
Yeah, school.
Sorry, Polly. He's just so excited to get to school. We'll see you there, okay?
Slow down, Waffle. No, Waffle, slow down.
Don't run, please. Nice to come.
Good morning, Brooklyn Bells. You're very keen for the first day of term.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hello, Waffle.
Good morning, Mr. Metcalf.
Hello, Vet.
Waffle was just so excited to get here.
Ah, but you do realise the dogs have to be kept outside with me.
Oh,
Not
yes.
go through the school gates into the playground.
Come on, Waffle, we must stick to the school rules. You wait over here.
Brooklyn Bells.
Good boy, Ralph.
Hello, Miss
And a special hello to you, Evie, on your first day of school. Are you looking forward to starting in my reception class today?
Yes, I really am.
Good. And what do you have to say for yourself, Waffle the Wonderdog?
Waffle loves school.
You love school, do you?
Yes.
Well, I haven't forgotten that we need to arrange for Waffle to come in for a class visit, even if you do make me a bit sniffy.
Can they come in today?
Oh, no. I'm sorry. Waffle can't stay today. The new head teacher, Mr. Nolan, needs to give his permission for Waffle to come into school. So you make sure to make a good impression when you meet him, okay, Waffle?
Okay, Miss Berry Bum.
Whoa. Miss Berry.
See you in class, Evie.
Waffle, no.
Careful with that hoop.
It's Mr. Nolan, the new head teacher.
Cooey! Mr. Nolan!
No running in the playground, please.
Cooey! Mr. Nolan!
You can't go in there, Waffle.
Yeah, Miss Nolan won't want you running around the playground.
Hi, everyone! And I'm here with AJ. Hi, Evie. It's our first day at school.
Come on in, Aya. Let's go and find your classroom. You coming in now too, Evie?
Once I've said a proper goodbye to Waffle.
Yeah, before you do, Evie, I just really want to take a picture of you. Simon, can I have your phone?
Yep.
Oh, sorry, everyone.
I'm sorry.
Oh, first day tradition, isn't it? Get closer, Waffle. Okay? Right, you're going to look at me.
That's it, Smiles. Say dog biscuits.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, yeah, hi, Connie.
Well, Mum tried to take more first day photos of me. Waffle decided that right now was the moment he should go and impress Mr. Nolan.
Waffle Dog School!
Hello. No running. And you. Hello. Well, it seems we have a lost dog on school premises. Waffle? Well, that's just the sort of thing that happens at the start of a new term.
So sorry, Mr. Nolan. This is our dog, Waffle.
The lovely name for a dog, Mr. Brooklyn Bell.
Mr. Nolan, hi, I'm Jess. Jess Brooklyn Bell, I'm Simon's wife. Really nice to meet you.
Hello, Jess. Well, as I'm sure you're aware, dogs aren't allowed on school grounds, even dogs belonging to a teacher.
Yeah, of course, Mr. Nolan, yes.
I was just taking Evie's first day photo and, well, he must have wandered off. He's going home right now.
No.
Did Waffle just speak?
Yeah.
He talks.
Yes,
What an unusual dog you have.
he's a Wonderdog.
Waffle class visit?
I beg your pardon.
Waffle's an amazing talking dog, Mr. Nolan. And I would love if he could come into school for a class visit one day this term.
Please.
Thank you, Miss Barrington. I'll certainly think about it. But in the meantime,
Jess.
if we could take the Wonderdog home.
Yes.
I have to go to work, Simon. I should be at the surgery right now.
Wait. But if you're going to work and you work here, then who's going to take Waffle home?
Yeah.
We are such a silly family. I hadn't even thought of it.
Hello, I'm Connie Lester. I'm Simon and Jess's neighbour. I can take Waffle home.
Oh, Connie, thanks so
Come along,
much.
Waffle Doggy. Let's go.
Bye,
Let's
Jess.
go.
Bye, love
Bye,
you.
then. Bye. Come on.
Have a great first day.
No. Waffle school dog. Evie.
Sorry, Mr. Nolan. I have to run.
Oh, permission granted.
I'm so sorry, Mr. Nolan. Waffle isn't usually this excitable.
There he is! Yeah, he is.
Please, Mr. Metcalf, can we help stop this runaway dog?
Trying to do, Mr. Nolan.
You brought Waffle, though.
Yeah. Help me catch him.
No more running, Waffle. Oh, dear.
He's just excited, Mum.
I know.
Yeah, we all are.
They really are.
Right, children, let's line up, please. Quietly and calmly. Reds and yellows first.
No running.
Waffle dog school.
No school dog.
Oh.
Sorry, Waffle.
Waffle really is the most extraordinary dog, Mr. Nolan. No! I'm so sorry, Mr. Nolan.
Well, it shows that our school policy was quite right. No dogs allowed on school grounds.
Quite right, Mr. Nolan. Oh, yes. Sorry.
Sorry.
And I think it best that this dog doesn't do walkies before school or pickups after school either. I'm sorry, Brooklyn Bells, and Waffle, but I think that needs to be my final word on the matter. And before you ask, no class visit. Right, registration, children. Everybody in classroom.
Bye. So Waffle did impress the new head, just not in the way we hoped.
Bye, Evie. Oh, Waffle
wonderful school dog. Back soon.
And off he went, back home, where he wouldn't be welcome either.
A dog-free day, Georgie. It's what we like, isn't it? Oh, Georgie. Oh, Georgie, you are a cat, not a dog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a special mug. Georgie Catty. Georgie Catty. You're such a fluffy cat. You're such a wonder cat. You are. Down with dogs. Long live cats.
Everybody